Hello students, welcome back to English literature classes. Today our topic is Picaro's novel. Okay, आज का टॉपिक है हमारा Picaro's novel. Write a short note on Picaro's novel. Picaro's novel. A Picaro's novel deals with the episodic adventures of a Picaro or rogue who wanders from place to place. Defoe's Squirrels. The Father's Adventures of Robinson Crusoe and The Serious Reflection of Robinson Crusoe are the earliest example of it. Fielding's Tom Jones 2 is a novel of this kind. In a way, Dickens' Oliver Twist can be regarded as a Picaro's novel for the hero. Oliver is an orphan child who passes through adventures at many places. Dickens' Oliver Twist as a Picaro's novel. It's the first heading of Picaro's novel. Oliver Twist is an unfortunate orphan by birth. Oliver ट्विस्ट जो है अभाग्य से जन्म से ही ऑर्फेन था. ओके, ही इज बॉर्न इन ए वर्क हाउस. उसका जन्म वर्क हाउस में हुआ था. सिचुएटेड 75 मील्स पर जो स्थित है अवे फ्रॉम लंदन, लंदन से दूर. Essence Fleming Hills. Unfortunate mother wanders hither and thither in search of Mr. Edwin Leaford, who is her lover. She faints near the workhouse. Strangers attend her. She is admitted to the workhouse. Here she gives birth to a male child and dies. यहाँ पे वो एक बेटे को जन्म देती है और फिर मर जाती है. The nurse named Old Sally steals her locket and ring. एक नर्स थी वहाँ पे ओल्ड, जिसका नाम क्या था, ओल्ड शैली. वो उसका लॉकेट और उसकी रिंग चुरा लेती है. थिंग्स दैट माइट हैव प्रूव्ड हेल्पफुल टू identify the child's father. Mr. Bumble is the parish builder. He calls the child Oliver Twist in order to discover the child's identity. There is offered a reward of £10. Still, no information is got about the child father's identity as well as the mother who is dead. Oliver is sent a baby for to nourish under the supervision of Mrs. Mann. Mrs. Mann is very wicked, बहुत ज़्यादा दुष्टित हैं, स्वार्थी हैं और लालची हैं. Here she keeps Oliver undernourished. He kept here for 9 years. Then he is shifted to the workhouse to be trained to be an earning worker. Oliver is a pale, thin child in want of proper nourishment. In the workhouse, Oliver is trained in the trade of picking oakum, art of making brooms and drops. All children who are kept here suffer from starvation. One day a boy provoked Oliver to ask for more food. When Oliver requests for more food in the evening, he is punished. Authorities decide to send Oliver out of the workhouse. For this purpose, a notice is displayed on the gate. If any person employs Oliver Twist, he will be given an award of £5. Mr. Gamefield, who is chimney sweep, desired to have Oliver employed for chimney sweeping. Mr. Bumble is asked to present Oliver before the magistrate. The magistrate knows the hardship of chimney sweeper and asks Oliver to tell the truth. If he is willing to a chimney sweeper, Oliver reports that authorities would send him back to the dark room to starve. They would beat and kill him. The magistrate ordered to keep Oliver in the workhouse with kindness. Later on, he is employed by a king coffin maker, but his wife beats Oliver and poisons her husband's ear against Oliver. The result is that Oliver decided to run away from London. In this way, Oliver becomes a picaro, and Oliver has decided to cover the long distance of 75 miles on foot. But practically, it is an impossible task. He falls into the miserable condition. He has worn and torn dresses, bounded feet, and starving stomach. उसने फटे हुए कपड़े पहने थे, पैरों में चोट लग गई थी और वो बहुत भूखा था. उसके पेट में भूख भी लग रही थी, उसको बहुत भूख लग रही थी. When it becomes impossible for him to walk, he enters a small town and sits at a place to take rest. अब उसके लिए चलना संभव नहीं था और ज़्यादा, इसलिए वो एक छोटी सी जगह पर बैठ कर वहाँ पर रेस्ट लेने लगा. A boy named Artful Duggar is just of his own age. He helps Oliver by bringing food for him, and he takes Oliver to Mr. Pheasant's in an old zoo. He is a master criminal and trains young boys and girls in the art of pickpocketing. Duggar introduces Oliver to Charles Waite. Oliver is too innocent to realize that Pheasant is giving him training of pickpocketing. With the artful Duggar and Charles Waite, Oliver goes for pickpocketing. They select Mr. Brownlow, a rich-looking man. For this purpose, he is standing at a bookstall. The artful Duggar picks Mr. Brownlow's purse and runs away with bags. Oliver is too frightened to be normal. He runs and seeing him running, Mr. Brownlow thinks Oliver has picked his pocket. He runs shooting behind Oliver. People catch Oliver. He is arrested and the magistrate sentences Oliver for 3 months. Oliver falls unconscious on hurting. On hearing the punishment, and Mr. Brownlow feels pity and claims that Oliver is innocent, and Mr. Brownlow takes Oliver with him. It proves a turning point in Oliver's life. Oliver lives in Mr. Brownlow's house for many days to recover health. Mrs. Wadman takes care of him in this house. Oliver sees a portrait of a young lady and Oliver's face resembles the lady's face painted in the portrait. All give him love and affection and Mrs. Badwin tells him a story and plays games with him and Mr. Brownlow asks Oliver if he wishes to read books. Oliver replies that he wishes to be a bookseller. Oliver tells Mr. Brownlow now he had fallen a victim to fashion and his criminal pupils, but Mr. Brownlow's friend Mr. Grimwing warns Mr. Brownlow against having blind faith in an unknown boy. Oliver, according to him, is a criminal. To test Oliver, Mr. Brownlow gives a £5 note to Oliver and asks him to pay £4 to the bookseller and bring back the rest of the amount. Oliver goes but does not come back and grows dark. Unfortunately, Oliver has been caught by Nancy and Six. They hand him over to Faison. Faison uses him in a robbery. Oliver is asked to go with a Toby Cricket and Will Six and they send Oliver in a narrow window to enter the house. Oliver is bounded. By chance, there begins firing in which Oliver bounded. It is the house of. He falls in a ditch. It is the house of Mr. Malin. Mr. Malin and Rose Malin, her adopted niece, feel pity on bounded Oliver. He hears Oliver's story and concludes that Oliver is not a criminal. They save Oliver from police. With Rose Malley, Oliver meets Mr. Brownlow. Rose tells about the Oliver's misery. Rose tells Mr. Brownlow what Nancy had told her. Mr. Brownlow decided to get criminals punished. He succeeds in it with the help of Dr. Losburn. It is to discover that Oliver is the son of a rich man and Oliver gets a bright future. Mr. Brownlow adopts him as his son. Oliver is blessed a little more than £3,000 from his father's will. Thank you for watching my